We are planting some lettuce today, and it is the Four Seasons lettuce, and it is very cold hardy. The reason why I'm specifically doing this lettuce is because I watch the Millennial Gardener and I watch his 2-minute gardening tips, and this is one that he does a lot. There's a new one that he's using that's a fire or a red or something like that. But this one specifically, like, he got snow on these and they were still growing. So I'm really hoping they do good for the spring, through the early season. I'm sure they're going to bolt. I'm kind of hoping they do bolt, lay seed down, come back up on their own, because they're going to be in between my tomatoes, which the shade from the tomatoes might help, but it's a 50-50 on that. It did work kind of over on the side garden. I haven't done this in the big garden because this is the first year that we'll be actually battling the big garden. So, wish me luck here. So this is a breed that is an heirloom, and it puts on 6-inch butterheads, which is kind of cool. So it's a full sun. It likes to have at least 6+ hours, which, I mean, if you follow the channel, this is something we roll with a lot. And to be honest with you, we get anywhere from 10 to 12 hours. They're in zone 6B. So I think they're going to do really good, especially before it gets too hot. Your depth is going to be 1/4 inch, so that's pretty shallow. Go ahead and pop these bad boys open now that we got the dirt in the cups. I'm excited. These are probably going to be really tiny. I know the Black Simpson is. Oh yeah, looks just like a Black Simpson. Oh yeah, those are dinky. You can't see them. I'll put them up there. I don't really know how I want to go about this with them being so small. It's supposed to thin them to 8 inches apart, but when I do the cup sewing, so I can do individual heads and not waste space, it's kind of hard to do. We're going to go ahead and give these a little tap. Tap them in. Like, I know it says thin them, but to be honest with you, like, I've laid lettuce pretty thick and it comes up good. I just cut them as they're ready and then let the smaller ones come up. And if the smaller ones don't come up very well, they still normally bolt and go to seed. So you still get a second round of them. We're going to go ahead and give them a light coat. Try to get them to that 1/4 inch. I will definitely be planting these in the fall garden for a winter garden crop, just to see how they rock. And I'm just not getting with it with this soil today for some reason. That looks a lot better. All right. Give them the old slug. This, oh yeah. I ran out of my pre-made stuff, so now I'm having to deal with some hydrophobic soil, which still isn't bad. I mean, I'd prefer it to already have been pre-moistened, but you win some, you lose some. You just do the best you can. I think that's what gets a lot of people from not wanting to do the garden, is they think they can't do it because it's so much work. But I mean, we could all grow something if we try. Got real deep, real fast. Go ahead and hit them with that saran wrap. Oh, she's a leaker. Then we give it the old patiently waiting after we get the saran wrap on everything, and we should see some appearances in 7 to 10 days, which is cool. The harvest time is 55 days. So yeah, I should be harvesting these sometime in April. That's pretty cool. Depends on how they do transplant wise, but I ain't gonna complain. Alrighty, and if you like the content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.